Between writing my blog, Happily Ever After, and the rest of my insane schedule, I like to use a little caffeine motivation to get my creative juices flowing in the morning. But the last thing I want to do is run to my local barista.
The Mr. Coffee One-Touch Coffee House streamlines the espresso making process. A powerful 19-bar pump extracts the rich flavors from the coffee, and a thermocouple heating system evenly heats the water. Brew with pre-programmed settings or use the machine manually. The automatic milk frother works with any type of milk and steam cleans with the touch of a button.
Putting my own creative spin on my drinks to suit my mood or the season is really important to me. The One Touch helps me create custom recipes for my followers. This is the perfect machine for any super busy person who has about 1 minute to make an espresso drink.
The Mr. Coffee One Touch brings the coffee house home.